Hey everyone, welcome to Take 5 with the Savages, our new series where we give you an update from the past week, where we've been, and what we've been up to. So let's get into it. Spent the past week in Fort De Soto County Park. It's just outside St. Pete Beach in Florida. This is a great campground, and our campsite was in the kids' favorite location, right next to the playground. The park is highly recommended for its beautiful beach access and the ability to get a waterfront site if you have your own personal watercraft. The campground is one of the cheaper places to stay in St. Pete, Tampa area, but it's extremely hard to get into. It took us nearly 2 years to get a full week here. Besides the campground, there's beach access in the park on both the golf side and the bay side. Jen, Josiah, and the girls enjoyed shelling down the beach, while Jade, of course, enjoyed metal detecting.
Josiah! Wow! Gentle. This one has the actual fly with it.
So pretty.
The other cool thing about this park is they have a great dog beach. I'm not sure who had more fun, Bella or the kids. And there's more. Besides the beach, the park is home to an actual fort built in the late 1890s.
What's this?
The kids had a blast looking at the old mortar and artillery batteries, and of course looking out over the water.
Did he scare you? Oh, she's crying. Scare you.
On the other side of the bay, the Tampa RV Supershow was going on. We didn't plan this trip in order to go to the show, it just kind of worked out that way. This is our first time to the Tampa show, and we really enjoyed it. We found a couple great deals that we just had to take advantage of, including a great deal on inflatable watercraft made by JLF Adventures. It's a woman-owned Michigan-based adventure company. You should check them out. We also took time to... We also took time to talk to some other vendors and look for any upgrades and renovations that we might want to make to our rig. We aren't in the market for a new rig, but that didn't stop us from looking. We found the current model year for our rig to see what was new. And honestly, not a whole lot. We also poked around in a few diesels.
Oh wow, this is nice and new.
Does it have my dishwasher there?
Dishwasher!
Kind of see if there's any layouts that we liked and see if any would
I
fit.
want to buy this instead of walls.
Yeah.
Really fine, yeah, let's buy it. Is the dishwasher? The dishwasher. And the dishwasher. I'm gonna enjoy
Separate
that.
washer and dryer. Almost. But when it came down to it, it didn't live up to the $100,000 price increase over what we currently have.
Really? Can I have a mic? Is that any good?
Nice and cold.
Kids also had to check out all the camper vans and off-road trailers. Perhaps we watched a little bit too much Trail Recon. Yeah, it's a nice kitchen. Anyways, even though it's a lot of walking, it's a lot of fun and a productive way to get your steps in. Last, but definitely not least, we visited an eclectic food joint where they pride themselves on street-to-table, chef-inspired comfort food. We're talking about Fo Cheezy.
Wasn't all of them.
We had some epic grilled cheese, epic tater tots,
Oh, wow.
and monster shakes.
What your tippy toes again?
Add in the cool 90s street vibe, and this place is the bomb. Yep, I said it. So that's a wrap for us. We hope to see you next week. Be sure to subscribe so you can see our next update. We'll see you next time.